It was bit all.
Yeah.
Hit it to Papa.
See, hit it to me.
Get it, Grandpa. Get it. Hit it. Whoa.
You'll get the hang of it pretty quick.
Oops.
Yep. You're so coordinated.
And then there's Kate over there. He's hitting home
He
runs.
hits home runs. He's good.
They're doing sign-ups for
T-ball already.
Don't break a window.
email, or if we tried to put it in your coach sheet.
Woohoo!
It wasn't on there.
That was high.
Machine.
That was a high hit. What if my hit went all the way up to the ceiling?
Let's see your bum.
You better not break a window or a light.
There's your ruffles. Okay, let's see. Will you smile?
Maybe.
Well, she'll drill.
Hey, hey you. Hey you.
Smile.
Did you hit it?
Smile.
Watch you don't hit your sister with that.
Peyton. Hi, my baby girl. Hi, baby. It's not the most flattering position, but...
Yeah, she won't smile for you.